Welcome to Go Bears Diecast Workshop, episode 49. If you haven't already subscribed, I'd appreciate it if you would, and hit that bell so that you'll be notified of my future videos. This happens to be a giveaway video, and it's for the Porsche build-off that was put on by Leaf Matchbox Makeovers for his anniversary and 1,000 subscribers celebration. So this is the Porsche that I did, which was a 911, and it's been detailed nicely. And one of the subscribers that commented on my page on this particular video will get this car mailed to them. All they'll need to do is to get in touch with me within the next 48 hours at my email address, which is on my page, and I will ship it to them free of charge. So without further ado, I'm going to get the random comment picker up on my computer. Here we go. Getting the URL in there. Make sure we don't have any duplicate comments. Hit the start button. Big Charlie Model Garage, you won that car. Get in touch with me so I can send it to you. Don't forget about the Three Blind Mice build-off for the Monte Carlo. I'm a guest host, and that is next weekend. Hope you guys can stop by and look at all the great builds that's going to be out there. Have a great weekend. Thank you.